Don't pour your heart and soul into making your boss look good at some huge company where you're just a little fish. The kind of place where hierarchy holds you back. Work somewhere where passion gets you noticed, brings your ideas to life, gets you ahead, puts more in your pocket, and rewards you for your blood, sweat, and tears. We're not looking for the ordinary, or people who think good is good enough. We're after the ones who stand out, with fire in their bellies, light behind their eyes, a spring in their step, and brains that burst with ideas. It doesn't matter if you love programming or ping pong, business development or boxing, finance, fitness, HR or horticulture, as long as you give a shit about something. So stick a finger to the status quo. Be a rule breaker, a risk taker and a change maker. Say goodbye to the commonplace and hello to a different place. Where standards are smashed, glass ceilings are shattered, and your imagination matters. So if you've got an open mind, we've got an open door. Paymentsense. Making passion pay.